Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word noticing. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She had a keen eye for noticing small details that others often overlook. Noticing refers to the act of observing or becoming aware of something, often subtle or easily missed through keen perception and attention to detail. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.